Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone,
Hai.
my name is Demas Azhar-Rizan Ujunarko. You can call me Demas. Today I'm going to present to you a topic about physical activity, the benefit of physical activity and healthy living. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that the physical activity is essential for optimal health. Today I'm going to tell you the benefit of regular physical activity. First, it boosts mental health. Why is it so? Because exercise can release endorphin, reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and it improves our mental clarity and mood. Second, it prevents chronic diseases. By doing exercise, we can prevent chronic diseases because chronic diseases is not pleasant. And the third, regular physical activity enhance longevity and quality of life. By doing exercise or physical activity, our life will be more prosperous and we can live longer. Yet, is it only enough doing exercise?
No.
So sorry, it's not that easy. We also need to improve some following things, which include 1. Good nutrition. Eat a balanced diet of fruit, vegetable, whole grain, and lean of protein. Do not forget to stay hydrated as well. Number 2. Rest and recovery. Sleep well, people. Give all body time to relax. Number 3. Mental and emotional health. Mental and emotional health. Mental and emotional health.
It's okay, Demas.
Mental and emotional health. By being mindful and doing meditation, we certainly will get a balanced, healthy life. Ladies and gentlemen, healthy living and physical activity go hand in hand. They create a positive feedback loop where one supports the other one. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in a conclusion, adopting a physical active lifestyle and making healthier living choice is not just a short-term fix. It is like lifelong investment in yourself. That's all for me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.